This JOBY Compact Light Kit is a simple and effective full-size mobile tripod kit that is ideal for content creators. It pairs perfectly with other products in the JOBY family with a simple 1/4 20 wheel locking mount, making it easier to mount your camera or any other bit of hardware up with 1.5 kilograms onto the clever integrated ball head. This kit also supplied with a unique phone clamp which features cold shoe mounts on both ends, and the phone bracket rotates within the mount, so you can swap from landscape to portrait within a matter of seconds. Key features: this tripod holds for smartphones with widths 6.7 to 8.8 centimeters. It is constructed from aluminium, rubber, steel and plastic. It's supplied with a V-lock phone mount. This tripod is height adjustable and has a beautiful black design. And you can secure the tripod with the lever leg locks on the base, and it comes with a 12 months warranty. Personally, I've been using this tripod for a while and I believe it's a good quality tripod for a beginner. And I will leave the link down in my description. You can check it out.